Okay, what we're going to do now is to clean the glass. Alright, we use these squeegees and also this brush. Right, so this is the equipment that we need to have. This is a Vision. In safety method, this is wrong because we are using mineral water bottle, which is wrong, right? But inside contain a chemical. It's very hazard if you drink. Okay, so in future, please don't use this container. Okay, please get a proper one. But as for today, this is the chemical that we use for the glass Vision, right? Okay, the correct way how to clean up the glass. First, you need to find a spot. I say the whole area we need to clean up, use this brush, which is we already apply with this Vision, the chemical. Okay, this is used as a brush. We need to clear all the stain, right? If you need to push it harder, then you push it harder. Okay, for a better result. Now, you need to use the squeegee. Put the squeegee correctly, pull it down. Okay, remember while you're pulling the squeegees, make sure your hand is straight and then keep on moving. If you stop, there will be another mark there. It's an unwanted mark. Right, so this is another round. Right, so as you can see, it's very clear now. Then you just wipe all the foam from here. Okay, you can also use horizontal or like this. That's no problem, depending on how comfortable you are. Alright, thank you.